Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Render. As in my earlier videos, I have been showing you that Render has broken out a very big down channel on the 7 days time frame chart. And this was my last video by the way. And on the daily time frame chart, Render token also broke down the support of this up channel. And in today's video, we will also analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me to begin with my most recent trade signal for render that I shared by the way on 9th of November 2023 with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reverse Gartley pattern that render was completing on the daily time frame chart with Bitcoin pair, and this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss as well. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line dropped more down, completed the leg, entered the buying zone, and then we had a very massive price reversal. And this was almost 111%. Very massive pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. Because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you could find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of render, and this is the weekly time frame chart. And this was the breakout from this down channel that I have been showing you in my previous videos. Even before breaking out this channel, I've been showing you this down channel. And I've been telling you that once Render will be able to break out this long-term down channel, then this downtrend will be finished and a very powerful and long-term uptrend will be started. And now if I place this measurement tool from this low to this high, then you can see that so far it has rallied more than 1,827%. And during this move, you can see, let me just show you on the daily time frame chart now. You can see that it formed this down channel here and we broke out the channel. The target for this breakout was here at the top of the channel. That was approximately at $3. And you can see that the price then rallied beyond that target up to $5.28 and formed another up channel. But recently we have broken down this up channel. Now, if we take a look at the oscillators, then you can see that RSI is moving down. Stochastic oscillator is also moving down, but still price line is moving to the upside, and therefore there is a double hidden bullish divergence on this daily time frame chart. Therefore, there is a probability that the price line may re-enter the same up channel that is broken down. By the way, the technical target for this breakdown from this up channel is here at the bottom of the channel. That is approximately at $1.70. And in case of the price and re-enters, if the price and re-enters this up channel and breaks it out, then I'm expecting that it can try to break it out from here, and then the move can be approximately up to $11.50. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this huge breakout from this big down channel that is here at the top of the channel, that can be between $8 to $10. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.